Give him a big one. Big one. Buat तुझ्या लेगवर नको मारून द्यायची फीटवर हां गुड जॉब
We need that.
so we need this okay so we need to do this now okay
It's getting disgusting.
yeah it's getting tighter and tighter
It's getting moving.
yes is it tight enough आता tight झाला का छान
It's just like leverage.
okay so what is this thing
It's called a bird feeder. We can hang it over his house.
and then what happened
The bird will eat its seeds
okay so where you need to put the seeds
in here so they can enjoy for breakfast.
oh okay they'll be happy
Yeah, they will be happy. And so me, I can get happy. So the birds can get us food. So we need to put some more seeds when it's empty.
okay
Not too much, not too much.